The $100 Startup Your Blueprint to Financial Freedom. Imagine this, it's 2025 and you finally decide it's time to take control of your financial destiny. You're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, watching others live their dream lives while you're stuck on the sidelines. What if I told you that with just $100, you could start building a business that could change everything? No trust fund, no special connections, just pure ambition, strategy, and action. Stop doubting yourself for 1 second. You have what it takes. I've seen it time and time again, people just like you, with nothing but a dream and the will to hustle, turning pennies into empires. Stay with me because in the next few minutes, I'm going to break down the exact steps you can take to turn that small investment into a thriving business. This is your blueprint, your roadmap, your chance to build the life you deserve. Let's go. Identify a problem you can solve. Every successful business starts with one fundamental thing, solving a problem. Look around you. What are the pain points? What are people struggling with? It could be something small, something that makes you say, there's got to be a better way to do this. Maybe it's people in your neighborhood struggling to find reliable dog walkers, or your friends complaining about the lack of healthy late-night food delivery options. See, the magic is in the everyday struggles. You don't need some fancy algorithm or groundbreaking invention. You need to identify a problem, big or small, and find a way to solve it better than anyone else. And here's the real kicker. You don't need a massive budget to solve these problems. Forget the big investors. Forget the bank loans. All you need is your brain, your hustle, and a little bit of creativity. Think about it. What skills do you have? What are you passionate about? Maybe you're a whiz at organizing and you see your friends drowning in clutter. Boom! You've got a potential business idea right there. Professional organizing on a budget. Or maybe you're a social media guru stuck in a 9-to-5. Guess what? Tons of businesses would kill for your help. Find your lane, own it, and become the go-to person for that specific problem. What problems can you solve? Start small, think big. Let's bust a myth right now. You don't need to start with a flashy office, a team of employees, or expensive gadgets. Forget the fancy stuff that can come later. Starting small doesn't mean thinking small. Remember, some of the biggest, most iconic businesses on the planet, your Amazons, your Apples, even Disney, they all started small. They started with a vision, a relentless work ethic, and a whole lot of scrappiness. That's the energy you need to bottle up. That $100, that's your seed money, your ticket to starting lean, testing your ideas in the real world, seeing what sticks, what resonates with your audience. Don't be afraid to experiment, to iterate, to pivot if something isn't working. This is about being agile, being resourceful, and using that entrepreneurial spirit to your advantage. Building a business from the ground up takes guts, resilience, and a whole lot of hustle. Think big, think bold. Think about the impact you want to make on the world. What small steps can you take today to move closer to that vision? Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither are successful businesses. So get out there, start small, but never ever stop thinking big. Chapter 3. All right, let's talk about the secret sauce, the unfair advantage you have in 2025, the internet. This is your playground, your toolbox, your gateway to building a business empire without breaking the bank. Seriously, the resources available to you today are mind-blowing. We've got platforms like Canva, where you can design anything from logos to social media posts, all for free. No more excuses about needing a fancy design degree. Then you've got Shopify, the king of e-commerce, making it easier than ever to set up an online store and start selling your products or services to the world. And let's not forget about the AI revolution happening right under our noses. Tools like ChatGPT are changing the game for content creation, customer service, even market research. You don't need a massive marketing budget or a team of developers. You just need to be resourceful to learn how to use these tools to your advantage. The more you learn, the more empowered you become to build your dream business without breaking the bank. Become a master of these free and affordable tools, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Chapter 4. You know the saying, your network is your net worth. And let me tell you, that's not just some cheesy motivational quote. In the business world, who you know matters. Even with the best idea in the world, even with all the hustle and talent, you need connections to open doors, to get your foot in the door, to amplify your message. But here's the good news. Building a powerful network in 2025 doesn't mean you have to put on a suit and schmooze at boring industry events. Unless that's your thing, then by all means go for it. We're living in a digital age where connections are made online, 24/7. LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, even TikTok. These platforms are your new networking events. Start engaging, start providing value, start connecting with people in your industry and beyond. Follow thought leaders, join relevant groups, and don't be afraid to reach out and start conversations. The more you put yourself out there, the more opportunities will come your way. Remember, networking is a two-way street. It's about building genuine relationships, providing value to others, and being someone that people want to connect with. Remember, in the game of business, your network is your secret weapon. Chapter 5. All right, let's get real for a second. Here's the truth. Most people give up before they even see a glimmer of success. They let fear, doubt, and the dreaded shiny object syndrome derail their dreams. But here's the thing. Building a business, especially with just $100, isn't for the faint of heart. It's a grind, a marathon, a test of your willpower and dedication. There will be setbacks, there will be challenges, and there will be moments where you want to throw in the towel. But here's the difference between those who succeed and those who don't. The ones who make it, they are relentless. They are the ones who get knocked down 7 times and get back up 8. They are the ones who are constantly learning, adapting, and pushing themselves to be better every single day. They understand that success isn't linear. It's about showing up every single day, even when you don't feel like it. It's about being obsessed with the process, with the journey, with the constant pursuit of growth. So yeah, it's going to be tough. But you know what? You're tougher. Because the world belongs to the relentless. You have everything you need to start your journey today. $100 a burning desire, and now a proven plan. The question is, will you take action? Because the future belongs to those who do. Stop dreaming about a different life and start building it. Every single one of you has the potential to achieve greatness. Remember, I've seen it countless times. It starts with that first step, that leap of faith, that decision to bet on yourself. Don't stop here. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss the next video. We're going to dive deeper, get even more tactical, and I'm going to be sharing all my secrets with you. And for those of you who are ready to take action right now, check out the links in the description. I've got a ton of free resources to help you kickstart your journey. Your dream business is just $100 away. Let's make it happen.